my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I make a super easy and delicious tinga. In case you don't know what tinga is shredded chicken covered in a delicious chipotle sauce. So in case you guys want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So what we're going to need is 2 pieces of chicken breast. You can always use chicken thigh or whatever your preference is. That's optional. It's totally up to you. I did boil it with half an onion, 1 garlic, salt, and pepper. And I did keep the onion because we are going to need that to boil it with our chiles. I also kept half a cup of the broth. We are going to need 1 full onion, and I already cut it into strips. 3 tomatoes, 1 piece of garlic, 1 chicken bouillon, half of this chipotles in adobo sauce. I buy this one, and as you can see, we're only gonna use half the can. And then for your toppings, we are going to need lettuce, queso fresco, sour cream, and of course your tostadas. So these are our ingredients, you guys. So now let's get started with our delicious tinga. So what we're going to do first is boil our 3 tomatoes. So we are just gonna wait for about 10 minutes until that's done, and then we can get started with our sauce. Alrighty guys, so once your tomatoes are ready, we are going to throw them in the blender. Along with the chipotles, the chicken bouillon, our piece of garlic, and the cooked onion, and our broth. Just gonna pull them down. And then we're just gonna blend it for about 3 minutes. Guys, so over here we're going to start sauteing our onions. So we're gonna put some oil, and once our oil is hot, we're gonna throw our onion. Onions to, once they start turning a little this color, a little brown, then we are going to throw our sauce. Once they're ready, we can throw our sauce. And just keep it in a medium temperature, okay? And that's our sauce. So now we're just gonna bring it to a simmer and then we can throw our chicken. And you can try your sauce and see if it needs some salt, or it should be okay. For me, this is perfect. You don't need anything else, but you guys can always add some more. And if you want it more spicier, you can throw some chipotles. But like I said, for me, it's perfect. And as you can see, it's already simmering, so we're gonna throw our chicken. And if you guys want it more juicy, you guys can always add the more broth from your chicken. But I don't know, to me, because we're gonna eat it in tostadas, I think this is perfect. But if you guys want to add some more juice, it's up to you, you guys. So now we're just gonna let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes with the chicken, so like that our chicken can get all the flavor from the sauce. So we're just gonna leave it alone and keep it in low heat and then just let it simmer. Alrighty guys, so after 10 minutes your tinga should be done, so you can turn it off and it'll be ready to serve. It seriously smells so delicious and it's just perfect. And there you have it, you guys. Super easy and delicious tinga. Alright you guys, so this is how I like to serve mine. I like to put the sour cream on the bottom. Just like that. And then we can put our tinga on top. And my mouth is already watery. It smells so delicious. And if you have never tried these, oh my goodness, please give it a try. And then we put some lettuce on top. And some queso fresco. Alrighty, you guys. It's delicious, like everything. The combination of everything is perfect. Alrighty guys, I hope you had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below what do you think, and if you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button so you can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super easy and delicious tinga.
¿La tinga?
Tinga. In case you don't know what tinga is shredded chicken covered in a super delicious tomatoes chipotle sauce. And hi guys, welcome back to in case you don't know what tinga is shredded chicken. Stop! Delicious tinga. In case you don't know what tinga is a Mexican dish made. Stop!
Okay, start over.
Hi. Stop!
Okay.
If they could only see how much I struggled to get my intros together.
Tinga.